In today's video, we shall be learning how to make this outfit. In the month of July, I shall be hosting a skirt class where you should learn how to draft a basic skirt block, how to alter your basic skirt block to create an A-line skirt, how to manipulate your data, how to create volume, how to manipulate your fabric to create gathers, and ultimately how to create this tiered skirt. This class is strictly for beginners. If you're interested, do send a WhatsApp message to this number to be added to our WhatsApp group. Let's get started. This class is absolutely free. Labeled our lines: bust line, under bust line, and waistline. There's a video on how to go about a princess that's in this account. I would link it to this video, so I would do this on speed. So I have gone ahead and created the princess dots. Now at this area, I'm going to go ahead and mark 1/2 inch. I'll draw a straight line to this point. Then I'll go on and slash this line. We'll go ahead now and place another paper under. Spread this shoulder by 1/2 inch. So we have gone ahead and spread this shoulder area by 1/2 inch. The reason is so we'll be able to fit in our shoulder pad, because the dress has a shoulder pad, and to do that you have to extend your shoulder high a bit to accommodate the shoulder pad. Now we're done with that. We're going to go ahead now and increase the width of our neckline by 1.5 inch. Using a straight line, we'll go ahead and connect it to this point like this, and then from here just draw a straight line like this as a guide using a curve. You stop here, and then you go on and use your free hand to create this curve inwards. So what we're going to do now is to go ahead and cut out the unwanted lines. First, we'll start with the neckline. And there you have it. This is what our final pieces looks like. I hope you found this helpful. See you in the next tutorial.